Alright, this time let me explain the 5 iWin plan payout system ng iWin. iWin plan 2 relates to fast track points. Kung paano kitain si fast track points, let me explain. But before anything else, itong sistema natin, no balancing left and right na pinag-uusapan. Wala rin po tayong quota, minimum maximum purchase requirement. It's just a simple system. Wala rin po tayong breakaway. Wala rin hong mga side volume requirements. Wala ho tayong caps of flashing of income o yung tinatawag natin flash out. Wala po tayong kailangan i-perfect na slots or i-fill in na slots or cycles. Very wide po yung ating market pagdating sa mga t-shirts and printing. Lesser or no stress business compared to traditional business ho ng clothing store at ng printing business. Weekly po yung payout natin dito from Monday to Monday. Release ng commission with your Friday. At higit sa lahat, wala ko tayo pinag-uusapang pills, dosage, no side effect, etc. Para makapasok tayo sa iWin, again, you only have to purchase 2 kinds of packages. Meron tayong tinatawag na Elite, which is equivalent to 100 points. At meron din tayong tinatawag na Starter package, which equivalent to 33 points. In every point of iWin payout system is giving us, in every point, meron tayong 10 pesos. Again, i-monitor natin yung fast track points. So you can be as an elite or you can be as an starter. Somebody introduce you in the business, let's call the person as a sponsor or referral. Okay, and this is you. And then, nakabenta rin kayo ng elite package or starter package to your friend A. Assuming si friend A bumili ng elite package. And ang sabi po natin, meron nung assigned points for every elite package. So, sa scenario na to, sa letter A, meron nung 100 points. This entitles you to earn an elite points. Now, magbabago lang to if you started as starter. Hindi po elite yung binili nyo, but starter. So therefore, kahit elite po si A and you are only entered as starter, you are only allowed to receive 33 points po. And letter B, may tinatawag po tayong roll up. Mamaya po, babalikan natin itong point na to. But for now, let me illustrate lang muna, si letter B will be rolled up to your sponsor. And letter C, sabihin na lang natin bumili ng starter package, hindi katulad ni A. Si C, bumili lang ng starter package, meron ng equivalent 33 points. Even you are elite at bumili ng starter package si C, you will only earn 33 points po. And of course, if you enrolled as a starter, you will also receive 33 points. Again, letter D will be rolled up to your sponsor. And again, letter E, for example, bumili na naman ng starter pack, katulad ni C. Again, even if you are elite, meron pa rin kayo 33 points. And if you are starter, 33 points din po. Letter F, again, will be rolled up. Letter G, sabihin na lang natin this time bumili rin siya ng elite package. Again, if you are an elite, you will be earning 100 points. But if you are a starter, you'll be earning 33 points. Again, letter H will be rolled up. And you referred another person. This time, ika-9th person po si I. Bumili rin po ng elite package. Again, you'll be entitled to earn 100 points. And you as a starter will be earning 33 points. And letter J will be rolled up. Yung 10 onwards po ninyo, 11 onwards rather, will be retained by you. So, there will be no more pass up. So, sa fast track points, pag ito-total mo natin to, you accumulated earnings of 336 points. Isipin na lang natin pumasok ng transaction na to Monday to Monday. Okay? So, for 1 week, you were able to accumulate 336 points. But, if you enrolled as a starter, whether may nag-enroll ho ditong elite or starter, the maximum or the minimum points rather for every starter pack is 33 points. So, ang accumulated points for the week is 165 points. Again, to convert that into monetary value, we only have to multiply the 1 point in every point, that is 10 pesos. So, multiply po natin yan. So, meaning to say, if you're an elite dealer, 366 points times 10 would be 3,668 peso value. But if you enroll as starter, you'll be receiving 165 points multiplied by 10 pesos, that is 1,650 pesos. Now, let me explain naman the iWin Plan 2 and iWin Plan 3. So, combine po natin explain ngayon. And sundan nyo lang po ako as I explain it little by little. Kanina, in-illustrate ko po sa mga previous explanation yung roll-up at yung tinatawag na fast track. Fast track means your personal referral. The roll-up is yung ika 2468 will goes up. Okay? So, pinakita ko natin yung kayo rolling up sa upline. Now, this time, this is you and your A. Remember, your first successful na referral po ninyo. Let's use the word na lang referral para for easy understanding. Ang unang referral nyo po was A, and then A successfully enrolled 10 people, and then the 5 will goes up to you, and the 5 will remain to A. Okay. Now, let's take a look at yung mga na-roll up po ba sa inyo, magkakaroon din ba ng roll up? Now, for this illustration, i-clarify po natin yan. For instance, si 2, meron siyang successful referral number 1. As I've said, mariretain po yun. And 2 will be rolled up. Alright? And then, you will receive 100 points. Okay? Si 2, meron referral number 3. Mariretain po ulit yun. And then, number 4, again, roll up. Number 5 will remain. 6 will be rolled up. And then you will earn another 100 points. So, in every roll-up, ang rule, you'll be earning 100 points. So, again, number 9 will be remain to 2. Fast track po yan ni 2. And then, again, number 10 will be rolled up. Now, kung titingnan natin from 2 alone, meron yung 5 roll-ups. Okay? Now, 2 points. Si 2 was rolled up to you, and 2 rolled up another 5 to you. So, maliwanag po yung explanation dito. Now, try to remember then, 2 is able to earn fast track points. Ito po yung mga 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And then 10 onwards, again, will be no more roll up. Now, let's compute po dito. So, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, that is 500 points. Now, let's multiply that 500 points into 10 pesos for every point. Meaning to say, meron na kayong roll up bonus sa 5,000 pesos. And may nadagdagong 5 roll up na tao. So, you have 5 plus 5, a total of 10 rolled up to you. Okay? Now, let's consider naman si number 4. Same scenario po. 4, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 will remain to him. The 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 will be rolled up. Again, si number 4, kumita rin siya ng between 165 points to 500 points po. Bakit po? Ulitin ko po, it could be starter, elite, starter, elite, starter, elite. Nag-gets po, di ba? So, 33 points for every starter pack and 100 points for every elite pack. Okay. So, therefore, since may na-roll up po sa inyo si number 4, madadagdag po again yung 5 yun. So, that's another 500 points rolled up. That's another 5,000. Now, let's take a look at number 6. 6 will also refer 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 to be his fast track. 6 will be earning 165 to 500. It's a combination of starter and elite. Again, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 will be rolled up. So, may nadagdag na naman ng 5 sa inyo. And then, you'll be qualified to receive another 5,000. Let's consider number 8. 8 was rolled up to you by A. And 8 will also roll up another 5 to you. And again, si 8 po, meron din fast track bonus na 165 to 500 points. Okay? And may nadagdag na naman po 5 sa inyo. And lastly, si 10 po was rolled up again to you by 10. And then, Si Pen po, nag-decide i-workout din po yung business. Eventually, nag-generate din po siya ng mga fast track. So, si 13579 and the 246810 again will be rolled up to you. And that's another 5,000. And so on and so forth. So, at this point, yung 5 tao, nag-rolled up ng tag 5, that is 25. That qualifies you to earn 25,000 pesos. Klaro po tayo doon. And try to look at this. 25 will also make their own roll-ups. Each one of them will roll up 5. That will become 125. 125 will become 625. 625 will become 3125 and so on and so forth. So, lumalapad po. So, hindi po siya lumalalim but lumalapad. Alright? So, clear na clear po tayo ngayon sa plan number 2. And then, let's explain the number 3. Now, let's recap. Number 2, may niroll up po sa inyo 5. Si number 4, na-remain si 13579, 2468 will be rolled up. Si number 6, again, may niroll up na 5. And number 8, naiwan po yung 13579 and niroll up po yung 5 ulit. And lastly, si number 10, meron din yung fast track bonus and meron din na roll up sa inyo. So, that's the illustration of roll up. Okay? So, once again, each roll up by your personally enrolled or by those rolled up to you entitles you to earn from 33 points to 100 points. Kasi depende po yung kung fast track or, kung starter pack or elite pack. Okay? Now, let's talk about plan number 3.